What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a trade I took on USDJPY yesterday. This was also a trade that I called out for my students. Now, if we look into the past, we can see that we have this strong level of support right here, and it had been some time since price had come back down to touch this level. And once price comes back into this level of support that is very well respected and has yet to be broken, we can see that price starts brick walling right here. You can see how price dips into it with this candle, pushes right back up, pushes right back down, pushes right back up, and the whole time while price is brick walling at this level, you can see that we're producing wicks on the bottom side. And once we start getting into this area, we can see that the selling power has started to become weaker and weaker. So we end up taking our trade on this doji candle, because right here, if we look at this candle, we can see that the sellers have completely lost control. This candle is very bullish. We can see that it has a large wick right underneath it, as well as all of the candles right before it. So we went ahead and took a 10-minute trade, and you can see how price did in fact go up, and our trade closed right here. So simple trade, just looking into the past, seeing this support level that had been held. It had been some time since price had come into it. Price respects that level once again. We wait for price action to confirm that price is going to do what we want, and then we take our trade. So if you have any questions over anything we talked about in this video, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see when I take these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Facebook and Instagram and check out my stories. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.